Hey guys, Arkansas Garage here. Long time no see. I'm sorry, after all this COVID stuff, I had, I think 2 months vacation from work. But since I've gotten back to work, everything's kind of slowing down some. But let me show what I got going on and what I have planned doing. Of course, here's the mower that I got done during the whole COVID thing. Trailer I made for it. Well, not made, but repainted to look like a John Deere trailer. But it turned out pretty good. And anyways, here's my next project. I think what I'm going to do to this one is mainly make it stock. And then that one over there, I'm going to do something crazy to it. And I'm going to see what I can do about making it, probably putting that Honda Shadow 600 cc engine on it. But this one right here, I hadn't really done anything to it since the last time we talked. The only thing I really did do is I took this carburetor off. You know, that's the first thing I'm going to start with, because you don't know how bad it is. Took the carburetor off, let it soak in carburetor cleaner for probably a good week. This right here, the spark plug wire was all jacked up. I went ahead, I had some extra MSD spark plug wire from a classic car I restored, so I went ahead and made this plug for it. Still have the original spark plugs in it. All I did was take them out and clean them. What I need to do now, I need to mount the exhaust. Since it doesn't have the fuel tank on there, I'm going to rig up some type of fuel tank and see how it goes. That's about it. I'm going to try and get it started, and we'll go from there. Alright, hope you enjoy the video. Alright, I guess you can see that was good news. Seemed like it ran pretty good. It was actually, after using a little bit of starting fluid and everything, it started running off its own fuel. And as you can see, you know, I got wheel dollies because the tires are just, they've been sitting for so long that these tires are just so dry rot. But gave it a little gas, see if the car, and as you can see, it flung that tire dolly out plumb down the driveway. So I was gonna put the exhaust on. As you can tell, it was extremely loud, but for some reason or other, the guy that had this had taken the exhaust off, and now I'm just trying to find some bolts that actually fit it. I'm gonna pause the video here and see if I can find some bolts. Maybe see if I can actually take it for a test drive or something. Well guys, I didn't get to do the test run today. Let me show you what I've got done. So as you can tell, I got the seat out, got the front wheels off, the rear wheels off. Hadn't done much more to it. I had some video of me working on it, but I can't seem to find it. The only reason I didn't do a test run because I didn't feel like taking these wheels and tires off, putting them on here just to run it. I know it's going to run. The videos that I did lose was, alright, so keep in mind that the old wheels and tires look like this one, except they were in worse condition and they didn't hold air, and as you remember, they were all dry rot. But here's the front ones. I went ahead and put brand new tires on it because even though the tires did look good, they were dry rot. Took the wheels apart. If anybody knows, these are split rims. If you want them to run tubeless, you have a rubber ring that goes on the inside of both of them. Put brand new bolts on it, put stainless steel bolts all the way around. Went ahead and put tubes back in. Same with this one here. And then the back wheels, same thing. Put brand new tires on it. Same thing on the wheels, split rims. I end up changing the paint. You know, I was sitting there fighting it back and forth, trying to think, well, do I want gold paint or do I want silver? I kind of like the silver. It just kind of changes it up. Anybody that's wondering, throw this wheel around. This tire is a 22 by 11 by 8. Alright, and then this one here, this one is a 20 by 7 by 8 inch wheel. I probably won't put those on anytime soon. What I'm wanting to do is I'm wanting to take the whole roll cage off. I did bend the roll cage back some. I still need to, I mean, you can tell there's still a little bit of lean to it. I still need to work on it some more. But anyways, I'm going to take this roll cage off. I want it sanded all down. I'm going to repaint it red. This frame here, I'm going to end up stripping it down, painting it black. As you can see, I got the rear fender off. I'm not going to use those, or the front fender. They're so old and dry rotted. This front tub here, I'll end up taking it off, repainting it. And then, I mean, this one's probably going to be just mainly a stock Odyssey FL250. I'm not going to do nothing special with it. I mean, as we've seen, the engine runs great in it. But this one's going to be the fun one. I cannot wait to get started on this one. I'll show you the engine I'm going to use. You got to excuse my messy man cave garage. Don't mind the manly looking rug down here. But this right here is a Honda Shadow 600. As you can see, I've got most of it stripped down. It was a running motorcycle. I'm either going to use this engine. I don't know. It just really depends. Either use this engine Or I got this brand new military engine. It's a boxer type engine, brand new, still in the box. Let's see, for the people that are asking what kind it is, I used to know right off the top of my head, but I can't remember now. But if you need to pause the video, do it now. Oh, here it is. It's a 4A0321 or 2. It still has all the original paperwork to it. I've seen people get these engines here and use them for, like, you know, experimental airplanes, or you could use them for like a generator. Here's the plate here, in case you want to see what it is. I'm trying to focus. Let me zoom out some. There we go. There's the plate there. I don't think don't really matter much, but it's a pretty nifty little engine. You know, I've had ideas of either using for, I kind of thought it would be cool to make like a miniature, hold on, so let me put this lid back on. You know, make like a miniature Jeep or something and put that engine on there. I'm not really for sure what I want to do at this point. But of course, if I do use that engine on one of these Odysseys, I had a viewer tell me that I probably wouldn't be able to use the same axle, just because this centrifugal clutch requires a lot more RPMs than like 5,000. I can't remember off the top of my head how many RPMs it needs. You know, I might be wrong. I want to think he said maybe 7,000. Gosh, I can't remember. But yeah, I think it's going to be a pretty interesting build. That's the one I can't wait to do. Of course, I like doing stuff like crazy and out of the ordinary. But anyways, guys, sorry to get the test drive this today. Maybe some other time I'll be able to. But keep a lookout on my videos. Should be doing another one here pretty soon. The seat, I couldn't use the seat here. Well, this is the back part of the seat. But anyways, these seats are just, man, they're just so jacked up. I've seen he's not on YouTube. He's on like one of these Facebook groups I follow, but he used like a Jegs poly seat, and that's probably what I'm going to do. I'm going to use, I got a Jegs poly seat ordered, and also have a Jegs 5-point seat belt set up that I'm going to install on it. As soon as that gets in, I'll go ahead and mount it in, weld some bars in if I need to, and basically just fabbing everything up that I need to before I start painting. Because the seat belts for the harness will actually connect here, and where's the other part? Okay, the other one to connect here. So somewhere along in this section, or up here somewhere, I want to put, I don't know, some kind of square gas tank or one of those spun aluminum tanks. Not really for sure right at this moment, but once I get all that stuff in, I'm going to get started back on these. But anyways, guys, keep your eyes out. Make sure you like and subscribe, ring that bell notification so you don't miss any of my videos. And everybody that's signed up and subscribed, boy, I really appreciate it. You know, this has been a fun journey, and hopefully I'm giving you ideas to things that you need to do yourself. Alright, guys, thanks, bye.